Ion Science is a company that manufactures leak and gas detection products, particularly looking at the volatile organic market. Our whole purpose in life really is to protect life and the planet, so that's what gets us all out of bed in the morning.
We have customers in a wide range of different industries that might be manufacturing chemicals or might be dealing with hazardous chemicals either intentionally or unintentionally, all looking for air quality monitoring. And our products provide a wide range of different capabilities to them, either body worn for personal health and safety, handheld or mounted devices for permanent monitoring.
We've got now two really distinct parts of our business. So we have Ion Sense, which is our sensors brand, and that is purely focused on sensing sensors, that raw component in essence. The other half of the business, that's the instrumentation side of the business, we then take those sensors, amongst others as well, incorporate those into fully formed products. So we cover both ends of the spectrum. Being the sensor expert, we know how to get the best out of it for our products, which helps us to work with our customers to enable them to get the best out of it for theirs as well.
So the fact that we're all based on one site here in the UK means that our research and development is really closely linked to our production and operations, and also closely linked to our technical teams. And when you add that all together, it means we get the smoothest process from developing products to manufacturing products, but it also means that our teams can support customers and listen to their new ideas, feed those back into our new product development streams, and make sure that our customers get the types of products that they are shouting for and wanting.
Heart of everything we do at Ion Science is our vision: protect lives, preserve the environment. And actually I think more and more as we grow as a business, that's becoming absolutely the heart and the DNA of everything we do. We try and work where we can with local suppliers, and when we work with key suppliers, we try and do more with them. So instead of delivering one component, maybe they can deliver 3 or 4, and that reduces the journeys and the transport and the waste. We're also thinking about packaging, how we can package in efficient ways and making sure we're considering the waste hierarchy in everything we do to make sure we're minimising our impact.
We try to differentiate ourselves really through two main areas. One is on the product front. We want to offer high quality, high performance, innovative, pioneering products wherever possible. And the second area is really through exceptional customer service. We want to do everything we can to really support our customers to make sure that they are getting a first-class experience, reliable quality at every single touch point. If we want to create the next fantastic generation of product, we need to be working with them to understand what their problems are, what solutions we might be able to help them with, and then being on the front foot of that innovation and that evolution in the marketplace.
Our products span a wide range of different applications and different markets. With those applications, quite often we're looking at two things. One is what level of sensitivity, or in normal words you'd say accurate, how accurately can we measure something? And where we always continue to strive is improving our level of accuracy in what we can measure and what we can detect. That also influenced legislation as well. So you can only really regulate or legislate something if you can measure it. And technology has progressively got better and better over time, and we're still continuing that. So we have ongoing research activities on VOC gas detection, pushing the limits of how small a concentration we can measure, and developing not only the sensing technology for that, but also the experimental method, how do we prove that as well.
When people first walk in the door at Ion Science, they get a warm welcome, whether they be visitors for the day, new employees, or their teammates who they've been working with for years. We also like to have fun at work, so the company provides resources and the time to have social events. Every month we have either a long lunch or an afternoon off. There's quite often banter in the office, lots of people laughing. We generally care about each other and support one another.
I think customers love Ion Science because we are founded on innovation. And so our products bring that level of quality that our competitors sometimes don't. And we generate patents at a ferocious rate. And that comes all about our investment that we put into our research and development. And when you couple that together with our responsiveness and our excellent customer service, that means our customers get a really good product and a really good service. I trained as a chemist, and I worked in some of the world's largest pharmaceutical companies, and there's no question that if I were back in industry today, I'd be using Iron Science products.